Do you know that over 90% of consumer decisions are made subconsciously? But how can we access that hidden information when consumers themselves aren't even consciously aware of it? Well, good news, we have a way to peek into their minds. Nope, we don't rely on magic or crystal balls. Our secret lies in implicit methods, just as good, if not better. With our automated, scalable, and substantive approaches, we can capture those subconscious reactions. Participants view words or images and respond rapidly, revealing their hidden associations. The speed of their responses is the key. Quicker responses mean stronger associations that even participants might not be aware of. So, are you ready to unlock the hidden secrets of your consumers' minds? Let's get started.